Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking creamy chicken with pasta, and this is a weeknight dish. I am got 4 chicken thighs. I'm going to debone them. So sometimes you guys you can buy chicken thighs which have got the bones and you can easily debone them. It's quite easy. Just remove the bone and then other one. Just remove the bone. So my channel is all about budget meals. So I bought this chicken for about $4 and I can feed myself and my kids, and I'm just removing the bone. So sometimes it's cheaper to buy the chicken thighs with the bone. Alright, so deboning is done. I'm going to cut my chicken into small pieces. Alright, now the chicken is cut. I'll put them in a bowl. I'm going to season my chicken with salt and then black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, and then paprika, a teaspoon of paprika, and garlic powder. I'm just keeping it simple, guys. These are the only seasoning I'm going to put now for now, and then I'm just gonna mix through into the chicken, and I'm just gonna marinate for about 5 minutes because I'm running out of time. In a large pan, I'm going to add some oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to cook my chicken until it's nice and golden brown. For I cook the chicken for about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Before adding the onions. Now I'm going to just fry my chicken. Make sure all the sides are cooked. So guys, you can use chicken breast or chicken thighs. I prefer chicken thighs because I find them more juicy and flavorful. Now I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne seasoning, so about half a teaspoon cayenne seasoning, and then I mix through. The color of the chicken is starting to look good. It's nice and golden brown. And now I'm going to cook my pasta. I'm just using half the packet of the fettuccine pasta, and in water with salt, and cook the pasta according to the packet directions. Now my chicken is looking good. I'm adding one large onion, and then cook the onion until it's cooked and soft. Now I'm adding about 4 cloves of garlic. And then cook the onions and the garlic and the chicken for a few minutes, about 2 minutes or so. Add about 2 diced tomatoes. I'm cooking my tomatoes until they are nice and soft and until they are breaking down. And now I'm adding water and some chicken stock cubes. So these will melt once the water is starting to heat up. So I've got about 3 chicken cube stalks, and this will form my sauce. So I'm starting to make the sauce, and then just bring to boil and cook for a few minutes. While this starts to simmer, I'm just gonna mix through and add 150 ml of thickened cream. I've added thickened cream and just mixing through now. And then bring this to boil and simmer on low heat. And simmer on low heat. And I'm adding shredded cheese. So just cheddar cheese, is what I have. That's what I'm gonna use. I'm adding cheese to make a little bit of a cheesy sauce. This is looking good. And then I'm going to add my pasta. Adding my pasta, my cooked pasta. Now just adding fresh parsley. Adding fresh parsley, and this is almost ready, and the pasta is looking good. The kids love this dinner. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe or comment or like my video. Thank you.